In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background image on Wix. If you want to clear a background image from a specific page or section of your website, the process is quick and very straightforward. This is useful when you want a cleaner look. When a background image is making text harder to read, or when you simply want that area to return to your site's default background color. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are in the correct project and on the page where the background image is currently showing. Once the editor is fully loaded, take a moment to locate the exact section that contains the image you want to remove. This helps avoid changing the wrong area, especially if your site has multiple sections with different background styles. Next, click directly on the background of the section containing the image you want to remove. It's important to click on the actual background area, not on a text box, button, image, or any other element sitting on top of it. If you click the correct spot, a pop-up menu should appear with background-related options for that section or page. From that pop-up menu, click Change Page Background. This will open the background settings where you can control how that section appears visually. Depending on your layout, this option lets you adjust or remove the image that has been applied, so you can return the area to a simpler background style. Under the background options, select None. Choosing None removes the current background image and reveals your site's default background color instead. This is a great option if you want a more minimal design or if you want better contrast for text and other content placed in that section. After making the change, take a quick look at the section to confirm that the image is gone and that the default color now appears the way you expect. If the result looks good, you are all set. If not, you may want to double-check that you selected the correct section before making the change. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.